Hi students, in this video we will discuss about Sri Sankaracharya. Sri Sankaracharya was a philosopher who was born in early 8th century and at a place called Kaladi. He propagated the philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. I use the term propagated. I never said he introduced because Advaita Vedanta was existing before Sankaracharya. However, he traveled extensively throughout India multiple times in order to propagate the idea of Advaita Vedanta because so many other philosophies such as Buddhism, Jainism, and Charvakas, and Arhatas, and Saugatas, and even Hinduism, the philosophies were being misused by many scholars. So, in order to free Hinduism from those clutches and to remove avidya and to preach real knowledge, he made extensive travels throughout the country and he propagated the concept of Advaita Vedanta. Advaita Vedanta nothing but you and God are same because the goal is to attain moksha. Same, the goal is to attain moksha, and to attain moksha you have to get the realization of that you and God are same. That is parabhakti, means you are not different from the God who is you are not different from the Nirguna Brahman, means who does not have any kind of attributes. He is just a Chaitanya, he is just a light. And even that light does not have any kind of a qualities attribute. You can imagine anyway. You and Nirguna Brahma is same. You are not different. But to attain that is the ultimate objective of the life. That is what Advaita philosophy. There is no two, only one. But in order to reach Advaita philosophy, there are several kinds of philosophies, several kinds of bhakti levels, like Tamo Bhakti, Raja Yoga Bhakti, and then Sattvic Bhakti, and then Para Bhakti. There are different levels. You need to cross each and every level to attain that level. If one has the ability to achieve Para Bhakti, like what happened with Adi Shankaracharya, you can attain moksha even when you live. That is what Jivan Mukti. So there are a lot of fundamental philosophies and there are so many spiritual concepts in this kind of a stuff, but we will restrict to prelims concepts. So he attained Samadhi at the age of 32 at Kedarnath. And Sankaracharya, his teacher was Govinda, and Govinda's teacher was Gaudapada. Gaudapada was the one who introduced or gave a formal expression to Advaita Vedanta. Before him, it existed in Vedas and Upanishads. So he gave the formal expression and we propagated that knowledge to Govinda and Govinda to Sankaracharya. So what are the other books and things so we'll focus on prelims concepts. He wrote a book, he brought the concept of Prasthanatrayi. Prasthanatrayi means Brahma Sutras, Upanishads and Bhagavad Gita. Means he wrote commentaries on Brahma Sutra, he wrote commentaries on Upanishads, he wrote commentaries on Bhagavad Gita, which is nothing but Prasthanatrayi. And he wrote commentaries for Brahma Sutras. Brahma Sutras are nothing but they are the textbooks to explain. In order to explain it in simple terms, they are the textbooks that which contains the huge knowledge of the Vedas and Vedanta. So Brahma Sutras are nothing but textbooks that belong to Vedic system. They contain the knowledge of Vedas and Vedanta. And Sankaracharya wrote Bhashya, means that is commentary. Commentary means nothing but explaining what is what. And he made them simpler to understand. Okay, there is nothing but commentary or bhasha. And he propagated the concept of Advaita Vedanta, which I have explained. And to explain it again, it is nothing but you and Nirguna Brahma are same. You and Nirguna Brahma are same. Realization of that gives you moksha. How to realize that? There are different levels like Tamo Bhakti, Raja Bhakti, Sattvika Bhakti, and Para Bhakti. Each level, when you reach, you will attain God. So earlier what I have mentioned, and reality is one, everything and everyone is Paramatma, but all that plurality, that is the difference, is due to the Maya or illusion. And what is that? Brahman is the ultimate reality. The underlying philosophy is what is the true thing, what is reality in Brahma. Brahman nothing but Paramatma, not the Brahma who has four heads and all. He is also belonging to Paramatma. He is also belonging to ultimate reality, Nirguna Brahma. So, Nirguna Brahma, Nirguna Chaitanya, which is a formless God, which is a pure divine bliss of light, you are saying you belong to that. Illusion is cleared by due to avidya, because that avidya is because of the lot of avidya is due to the concept that because of your past karma or the environment that you exist. So, in order to attain the vidya or the true knowledge, you need to seek a guru who follows Vedic systems, who has attained to that level. Okay, and so the goal is liberation, realization of oneness with the Brahman. And Panchayatana worship system he introduced. That is simultaneous worship of Ganesha, Surya, Devi, Sri Vishnu, and Sri Shiva. So nothing but all these gods also different forms of Nirguna Brahma. That Nirguna Brahma took different forms. One is Ganesha, Surya, Devi, Durga Devi, Lakshmi, like that, and Vishnu and Shiva. So, in simple terms, whatever the puja you do in your homes, that is nothing but Panchayatan worship, and that worship system is brought out or being conceptualized by Sri Sankaracharya. And when you do puja, you also lit deepam, right? Or yagna when you do homa, and even the knowledge that you are doing is nothing but Sri Subramanyeswara or Shanmukha. So Shanmukha puja is also there. So, and he is supposedly to have founded the Dashanami sect, and he brought the concept of matas, and he established four or five. Some people say four and some people say five, and there are also one thing six mata also is there. So apart from that, let us discuss few things like Sringeri, and these matas are not given names like Amnaya. Amnaya means direct. Amnaya system. So Dakshinamnaya Pita is nothing but Sringeri Sarada Pitam, and Badrinath is in north, Dwarka is in the west, Puri is in the south, and Kanchi. Okay, Kanchi Kamakoti Pitam. So this is with regarding the concepts we need to understand with respect to Sri Sankaracharya. We are in again another video we will discuss.